vegetables. So here we have our ingredients: 2 eggs, American cheese, green pepper, red pepper, spinach, onions, and green onions. I put 2 sausages in the air fryer for 4 minutes. Okay, here we're gonna crack 2 eggs. I had to fish out 1 piece of eggshell. When eggshells fall into your eggs, the best way to fish it out is by using the actual eggshell. A tablespoon of milk, salt, and black pepper. Okay, start mixing it up. Okay, put some Pam spray and some oil in the pan. Very little oil, maybe a teaspoon. Wait for the oil to start sizzling before you place your veggies in. Okay, now we're gonna add our onions. Green pepper, red peppers. Give it a little mix, a little stir. Cook until the onions become fragrant and translucent. Add our baby spinach. Cover the pan so we can create steam so the spinach can become wilted for the cooking process. Okay, remove the cover from the pan. Add about a tablespoon of butter. Mix it in. Let the butter melt a little. Pour in your beaten egg. Add a little salt, a little onion powder, garlic powder, I like to push it in just a little bit and then let the middle of the egg run off on the side to cook more of the egg. Cook the egg at a low temperature, or else the bottom will get a little too brown and too crispy. Add your American cheese or whatever cheese you have or prefer. You want the top of the egg to be a little moist. You don't want it to be fully cooked. Make sure your egg is not stuck to the pan by scraping the sides. Now this is the most difficult part of the whole process, is the flipping the egg into like an omelette shape. Not too bad. Now we're gonna place 2 waffles in the air fryer with the sausages that we're cooking for 4 minutes. We're gonna add this in for another additional 2 minutes. And there you have it. Homemade breakfast. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe.